A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to conduct an experiment on biology, and our aim of the experiment is to prepare a temporary mount of a leaf peel to sow stomata. Okay, so we are going to see the stomatas under the microscope of a leaf peel. Okay, and let's see what are the materials required for this experiment. We need leaf peel, slide, watch glass, safranin, glycerine, cover slip, dropper, forceps, needle, blade, blotting paper, compound microscope. Okay, let's see the materials, all the materials required for the experiment. Okay, so the things that we need for this experiment are, you can see over here, a glycerol, safranin solution, dropper, a glass rod, slide, blade, forceps, needle, a leaf, watch glass, okay, and of course a cover slip, okay, that we have taken, okay, and of course a compound or microscope. Now let's take the slide over here and place it over here. Okay. Now I have taken a leaf of orange lily. Okay. Now I am going to take out the peel of this leaf. So already there is a peel, you can see over here. Okay. Like this you can peels. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, by this you can obtain the peels. Okay, okay, now let's just cut this peel and we will put this peel on the glass slide. Okay, with the help of the blade. I am going to cut this peel. Okay, and this one is our peel. Okay, okay, now we got our peel on the slide. Now I'm going to move this peel into the water. Okay, now after some time I'm going to take out this leaf peel from the water. And place it in the safranin solution that I have taken in a watch glass. Okay, I have taken 2 leaf peels, so I am going to place both of these leaf peels in the safranin solution for just 30 seconds. Okay, after this we are going to put this leaf peel in the water again, so that the extra stain which is present, that will be removed. If the leaf peel is overstained, the extra stain will be removed. Okay, so let's just wait for some time, some seconds, 20 to 30 seconds around. Okay, so that the overstaining will be removed from the leaf peel. Okay, so now we are going to take the leaf peel out of the water and place it on the slide very gently. Let's try it again. Okay, so now we have placed it on the slide. So make sure that the leaf peel should not be folded at all. Okay, and place it at the center of the slide. Okay. Now we are going to add a drop of glycerine. Okay. So I am using a dropper here. Okay. Okay. Just a drop of glycerine onto the leaf peel. Okay, that's it. Okay, now the next procedure is to cover it with the cover sleeve. While placing the cover sleeve, make sure that there should not be any air bubble. Okay, the cover sleeve should be cleaned properly. Okay. Hold the cover sleeve from the sides. Okay. Now with the help of a needle, I am going to place it. Okay. Place first with an angle, then slowly just place the cover sleeve on the specimen or the leaf peel that we have taken. Okay. Then remove the extra stain or the glycerin if that is coming out of the cover sleeve. Okay. Gently press the cover sleeve, and if extra glycerin or extra stain is over there, so it can be removed. Okay. Okay, that's it, and we got the specimen. Now it is ready to absorb under the microscope. Okay. Now under a microscope the specimen is going to be absorbed. Okay, and this is our slide. I'm putting it on the stage. Okay, and secure it with the stage clips. Okay, first of all I'm going for the 10x in the object piece and 15x in the eyepiece. Okay, so this is the 15x in the eyepiece. Okay, now we will observe the stomata on the leaf peel.